Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Anjali and I hope you all are doing great, and today's video is all about summer sweat proof makeup, and if you want to know how, then keep on watching. And yes, if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. So our first step will be the skincare routine, which is cleansing, toning, moisturizing and sunscreen, and also icing. So first I'm going to wash my face with a foaming face wash, which is Mama Earth Vitamin C foaming face wash. So the next step is icing. Icing improves blood circulation on your face and gives your face a healthy and fresh glow. And also it reduces pores and prevent the production of excess oil on your face. Icing your face has a lot more benefits. So wrap an ice cube in a fresh cotton cloth and then just move it around your face gently. You have to do this for around 2 minutes and then let it air dry completely. So our next step is the moisturizer and a sunscreen. So next I'm going to apply primer. Primer creates a smooth canvas for your makeup. It keeps your makeup in place. It also gives an even base. So the next step is the foundation. I'm going to apply very little amount on my face with my fingers, and I'm going to blend it, and in this way you are not using so much product on your face and your skin can breathe throughout the day, and also the pigmentation are hidden. Next I'm using concealer. You can skip this part if you want to. Next I'll apply compact on my face to set my makeup. Now I'm going to set my whole base with makeup fixer and let it dry completely. And we're done with the second step. Now we can apply our makeup. I'm gonna use a brown shade for my liner with an angular brush. You can use black eyeshadow or any other color if you want to. And also I'll apply some golden eyeshadow to complete my eye makeup. Next I'm going to apply my blush and some brown shade to contour my nose, and I'm going to apply some highlighter to glow up my look. I'm curling my lashes and apply some mascara, and next I'm going to apply my lipstick and complete my look. So this is the final look, and you can set your face again if you want to. And yes, so that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.
Thinking of you, thinking of you.